So, hi guys, in this video, we are going to be installing the Skyhawk recovery, unofficial recovery in your Mi 11X, Redmi K40 or the Poco F3. This can be installed in OS-PROMs or MIUI or Xiaomi UNE ROMs. Currently, decryption isn't working in Android 12, so you need to be having the SHRP image file, and you need to remove your fingerprints and password. That's all. Now, all you do is reboot your recovery, that is TWRP. So if you don't have a recovery, you can install it by the fastboot method, which is uploaded before. That's for TWRP, but you can even use it for this. So reboot your recovery. I'm currently in the descendant ROM. Yeah, so here the TWRP is booted. Yeah, now go to wipe, advanced wipe, double card cache, swipe to wipe. Then go to home, advanced, install recovery RAM disk. Then go to your downloads folder and select the image file. Then all you need to do is swipe to install. So if your phone was previously rooted, then the root will be lost, so you need to install Magisk again. Yeah, see, it's written if your device was previously rooted, then your root has been overwritten, so you need to reinstall your root access. Now just reboot the system. Oh, sorry, you need to reboot recovery. Okay, wait, let it boot to this thing. I'll reboot to recovery again. Reboot. You can go to reboot and click on recovery. Yeah, here's the Skyhawk recovery project. So it's there, the unofficial Skyhawk recovery project. So there is Magisk Manager, reboot, advanced, and flasher. You can go wipe. Yeah, I can wipe. And then now that's all. Everything is there in the recovery. So that's all, guys. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.